I'm not going to do any talking. I'm just going to start sending. Hi folks, and welcome back to Mario's Weekend Shop. Today what we're going to do is we're going to take this board and make it look into something more like this board. So let's get started. What I have to do is I have to go to the chop saw and cut this to size first of all. So follow me. Now that we're done here, we'll go back to the joiner. Now we're going to run this through the joiner a couple of times just to clean up the board a little bit. So here we go. If you'll just follow me to the bandsaw. Now then we move over to the sander so we can sand this down. Now then, we're going to drill some holes, drill them at a slight angle so that we can put some pins in there for holding up the coats. Now we're going to locate the center here. 16 inches is the center. Okay. So what we did here is we put something behind it to give it a little bit of an angle, so that when we put the pins in there, they automatically have that angle. So what we need. We got 5 holes. I'm going to cut the little pins that go in here. So to do that, I'm going to cut these about 3 inches long. Go back to the chop saw here. Get another one of these. Now I cut these to about 3.5 inches, and I kind of just sand it down the tips a little bit so that they go in here easy. Now if you want to add a little bit of glue on there, you can. I'm not going to go through that, so I'm just going to put them in there. There you have it. See how simple that was? Now, it would help if you go right side up. There we go. You got yourself a nice coat hanger right there. So, there you go.